Hi, my name is Brandon Cobble with Coastal Woodworking and Design, and this is a quick little shop tour. So what we have over here is our table saw center, and this is for sheet goods. Send it through, cut it for width right here, down to the crane station, goes over, cuts for length. When you come over here, we've got our lumber rack. We put it in for workflow. You come out, grab the lumber, slide right on the miter table, get it down here, tape measure. We always keep a tape measure on every center. We've got our battery center, got all of our tools that are lined up over here. If you come to this side, we've got a lathe that's a little bit dirty because we're doing salt and pepper shakers today, putting those together. We've got the miter station that we take for our job sites and construction, and of course, like every other station, we got a tape measure. If you go this way, we've got our concrete center.
Guys, I'm Gary with Coastal Woodworking Concrete Designs. This is our concrete area. This is our primary casting table. This is what we cast all of our concrete projects on. Down here, you'll see some of our concrete products we use. We use Trinec products out of New York. This happens to be one of the fire pits we're working on right now, one of the few projects we got going on. You come around this way, you'll see our two production tables. Our two production tables here, we named these lovingly the USS Lexington and the USS Nimitz, basically because they're roughly the size of an aircraft carrier. Now, this is just a quick shop walkthrough. Thought we'd show you what our setup is. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe to our channel and keep watching.